Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Investigation. And in today's episode of Investigation, we will go back to 2021 AMC 10B number 18 and take a look at one of the last problems that I did not go over. So let's take a look at the problem. The problem states that if there are six-sided dice repeatedly rolled until an odd number appears, and asks for the probability that every even number that appears before that. So let's think of this. Let's see, there are 2, 4, 6, so 3 even numbers. What is the minimum number of rows that we can achieve this? That will be 4, right? So that will be 2, 4, 6, and an odd number. Let's disregard that odd number over here, and let's just say that there are 3 even numbers rolled. And using a similar logic, we can say that it can be 4, it can be 5, and all the way until infinity. And that would be like something like 2, 4, 2, 6, something like 2, 4, 2, 6, 4, and an odd number. And that probability would give us, that would be 1/2 the probability that it will be an even number. So that would be 1/2 cubed, that would be 1/2 fourth, that would be 1/2 fifth. But is that the end of the story? Obviously not. If it is, it's not going to be a number 18 problem. What are we missing over here is that, let's see, something like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 would happen, and that does not meet our requirement because, let's see, 2, 2, 4 and an odd number, but 6 did not appear, and we should not include that. So that will be 2, 2, 4. So there's only 2 numbers out of 6 that we could choose, so that's 1/3 cube, and similar things over here, that will be 1/3 fourth, that will be 1/3 fifth. And the last case, which does not fit either, would be 2, 2, 2. And all of the same numbers, as you can realize over here, that this includes this, 2, 2, 2. And in this case, there are 3 cases like that, because there can be 2, 4, there can be 4, 6, there can be 2, 6. So 3 cases of that. And both in 2, 4 and 2, 6, this case is subtracted. Therefore, we actually need to add this. So that would be add 3 times whatever this is, and this will be minus 3 times whatever that is. And that would give us 2, 2, 2, and there's only one number in 6 that we can use, so that would be 1/6 cube, and that would be 1/6 fourth, and that would be 1/6 to the fifth. And now we just need to calculate the sum. And obviously these are 3 infinite series, and let's try to calculate it out. So for the first series, let's call it a sum of a. So a is equal to 2 cubed, 1/2 cubed plus 1/2 fourth plus 1/2 fifth plus dot 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 dot. And if we multiply that by 1/2, we can see that every term basically gets shift 1 term back. And if we subtract these 2 terms, we can get that 1/2 a is just equal to 1/8. And multiplying by 2 on both sides, we get 1/4 as a. And using a similar logic, we can get that b, let's say b is 1/3 cube plus 1/3 to the fourth plus dot dot dot, and 1/3 b over here will be 3/4, 1/3 to the fourth dot dot dot, and if we subtract that, we get 27/1. We multiply by that on both sides, we get that b is equal to 18 1 over 18. And that c is our last target, and that would be c is equal to 1 over 6 cubed plus 1 over 6 fourth plus dot dot dot, and if we multiply 1/6, we would get that dot 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 dot, and 5/6 would be equal to that if we multiply 6 over 5 on both sides of the equation. We get c is equal to 1 over 180. Now we just need to add those numbers up. Those numbers add up, so 1/4 minus that. Notice that we need 3 times, as we expected over here, 3 times 1 over 18 plus also 3 times 1 over here we have 1 over 180. And we can have a common denominator of 180, so that's 45 minus 30 plus 3. So that would be 18. So 180, 18, which is equal to 1 over 10. And are we done? No, we're not. Because notice that over here we didn't count, but over here we need an odd number. And if it is an even number, it just gets counted over here in the next one. So we need to multiply 1/2 upon our answer. So the final answer would be 1 over 10 times 1/2, which gives us 1 over 20, or answer choice C. Thank you for watching and have a great day.